Good morning children, hope you all are well. Today I am going to teach you the chapter rhyming words. So everybody take out your English book, your English phonics book 3. Okay, and the page number is 1313. Children, at first we will write CW and today's date, that is 27th of April, which is the fourth month of the year, and the year is 2021. In the heading, WRITE, write, to TWO2, rhyming, 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 words, 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 in, in, each, 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 set, 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 write two rhyming words in each set. Children, at first you have to understand what is called rhyming word. Children, in the rhyme, you have noticed that all the words, whether they are the same spellings or not, but if they read the rhyme, all words are sounds very similar. So in the rhyming words also, the words, they are not with same spelling, but they sound very similar when we read those words. For example, in the first picture, this is the picture where you can see a fat bear. So what is the main thing in this beer or in this picture? That it is a fat. It is fat. Spelling of fat is FAT, fat. Now just hide the word F, at, fat, then mat, MAT, mat. That's why this AT is highlighted with red color, and here also cat, AT, cat. So the common thing in all these three words is their last two letter, which make this word very similar when we read it. So that is called rhyming words. The words which are different in spelling, but their sound are same. So these words are called rhyming words. Fat, mat, cat. Though the spellings are very different and the meaning of these words are different, but when we read the words, we can hear the similar sound, that is at, in all these three words. So this is called the rhyming words. So children, in the next all the pictures, what we have to do, we have to see the picture, and the first picture, and the first word is, say the picture's name, okay, and after that there are two more sets of words, but the last two letters are missing. So what we have to do, we have to add or write the last two letter in those remaining two words, okay, and then we have to read the words. So it's very simple and very interesting. In the second picture, this is the picture of cab. Children, cab is the vehicle which goes on rent, okay, that means that is not the personal vehicle of a person. This is the vehicle which goes on rent. For example, taxis and cabs. Okay. So spelling of cab is CAB, cab. So when we hide the first letter, we can see the rest two letters, that is AB. So all the rhyming sounds of these rest two words will be AB, AB. That means D, A, B. We have to add the rest two letters. It's very easy and simple things to do this. We have to hide the first letter of the word with pencil, and rest two letters which are remaining, we have to write those words. Those letters. DAB, dab, cab, dab, LAB, lab, cab, dab, lab. Okay. In the third picture, the girl is sad. So spelling of sad, SAD, sad. And when we hide the first letter, the rest two letters or the two letters are AD. That means AD we have to add in the next two missing, okay, missing letters, in the place of next two missing letters, that is AD. SAD, sad, MAD, mad, and BAD, mad. It's very easy. Just we have to hide the first letter and write the rest 2 letters in the blanks. Okay, like this we have to do all this. The third picture, the dog is moving its tail. So this is called wag. W-A-G, wag. When we hide the first letter, the next 2 letters which are remaining is A-G. So T-A-G, tag. R-A-G, rag. Wag, tag, rag. Okay, this is called rhyming words. Then the next picture is pram, where we used to take the baby, small babies, from one place to another place. P-R-A-M, pram. And here we are hiding the first 2 letters, so the remaining letters are A-M. Pram, R-A-M, ram, D-A-M, dam. Pram, ram, dam. Next, fan, F-A-N, fan. Hide the first letter A-N. We have to add A-N. M-A-N, man. P-A-N, pan. Fan, man, pan. Okay. Then, clap. C-L-A-P, clap. Hide the first letter. Then the remaining letters are A-P. Then T. Then we will write A and P in the blank place. Clap, tap. Then here M-A-P. Clap, tap, map. So this has become the rhyming words. Now, next picture, bar, chocolate bar. B-A-R, bar. Hide the first letter, then the remaining letters will be A-R. So we'll write A-R in the blank spaces. A-R, bar, far. Then J-A-R, jar. Bar, far, char. So children, like this you have to complete these rhyming words. I hope you understand this chapter. If you will watch this video again and again, it will be very easy for you to understand this chapter. It's very interesting and very easy. So like this you have to do the classwork in your in your English book, and the page number is 13. Okay children, so thank you, and do this classwork and learn this. Thank you and have a nice day.